What if I told you that one of the most dangerous attack paths in modern organizations is not the application itself, but the pipeline that builds and deploys it? Today, every company wants to move faster, developers want to release code quickly, businesses want new features delivered continuously, and operations teams want smooth and reliable deployments. And this is exactly why CI/CD has become so important. CI/CD helps us move code from commit to build, test, scan, package, and deployment in an automated way. But here is the problem. The same automation that helps us deliver faster can also become a powerful weapon if attacker compromise it. A CI/CD pipeline usually has access to source code, secrets, tokens, build systems, container registries, cloud platforms, Kubernetes clusters, and sometimes even production environments. So from an attacker's point of view, why attack production directly when the pipeline already has permission to deploy into production? If the pipeline is compromised, attackers can inject malicious code, steal secrets, modify build steps, replace artifacts, or deploy a backdoor using your own trusted automation. That is why secure CI/CD matters. A pipeline is not just a technical workflow. It is a trusted path to production. And if that path is weak, production is not truly secure. In DevSecOps, we should not only ask, is your application secure? We should also ask, can we trust the system that builds and deploys our application? A secure CI/CD pipeline helps us verify every step. Can we trust the developer identity? Can we trust the code? Can we trust the dependencies? Can we trust the build environment? Can we trust the artifact? Can we trust the deployment? The goal is not to slow teams down. The goal is to make fast delivery safe. Security should not be a final checkpoint at the end. It should be built into every stage of the pipeline. From code review and secret scanning to dependency checks, container scanning, artifact signing, deployment approval, monitoring, and audit logs. Because modern software is not just written, it is assembled from code, packages, images, tools, infrastructure, and automation. And every part of that journey can create risk. So, in this video series, we are going to break down how to build a secure CI/CD pipeline step by step. We will talk about pipeline risks, source code security, secrets management, secure runners, scanning, SPOMs, artifact signing, GitOps, Kubernetes security, monitoring, compliance, and also incident response. By the end of this series, you should be able to look at any CI/CD pipeline and ask the most important question: can we trust this pipeline? Because in modern DevSecOps, speed is not enough. A good pipeline must deliver fast, deliver safely, and deliver with trust. You can use this as the opening video for the whole series or as the intro section before starting session 1.